What's good, YouTube? This your boy Fide Trey, man. Just got them folders in off the UPS truck. Y'all know what it is, man. Think it's a game this summer. I ain't playing, man. Just got the folders in. Y'all know what it is, man. Let's open this thing up. Look at one of them. See what's going on out here. See what it do. I should have bought my box cutter from work. Damn. That's what niggas get trying to open something with a butter knife. Alright, got one side open. Got them wrapped good. Give them that. Man. And there you go. 24-inch outrocks. Y'all know what it is, man. Playing on games around here, man. What y'all thought this is? If you think your boy in line, man, check the tire size out, man. Let's get up to it, man. 255, 30, 24. Y'all see it, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Shining like new money, you heard me? On that Chevy thing, Paula SS. Y'all know what it is, man. I'll let your boy, man. Gonna be a lot of things going on, man. Holla.